Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Measure ingredients first. Use 1 cup long grain rice, 2 cups water or broth, and 1/2 cup tomato sauce. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoons sugar if tomatoes taste tart. Rinse rice under cold water until the runoff is clear to remove excess starch. Then drain and let the rice rest 1 to 2 minutes. Chop 1 small onion and mince 1 clove garlic. Sautéing them before adding liquids concentrates flavor and prevents raw onion bites. Heat a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil and sauté 1 small chopped onion and 1 minced garlic clove until translucent, about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in the rinsed rice to coat each grain, then pour 2 cups water or broth and 1/2 cup tomato sauce. Add 1 teaspoon salt and stir once. Bring to a brisk boil, reduce to low, cover tightly, and simmer undisturbed for 18 minutes. After cooking, remove from heat and let the rice steam in the closed pot for 5 minutes. After the 5-minute rest, remove the lid and fluff the rice gently with a fork to separate the grains. Taste and adjust seasoning with additional salt, 1/2 teaspoons sugar for acidity balance, or 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar for brightness. Fold in 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley or cilantro, and optionally stir in 1/4 cup grated Parmesan for richness. Serve warm as a side or base. This recipe yields about 3 cups cooked rice and pairs well with grilled chicken, beans, or a simple salad. Store leftovers refrigerated up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.